guys, it's Laura and welcome back to Cupcakes and Unicorns. I've got my sister Tony here and she's come back from university a couple weeks ago, so I'm really glad she's here. And today we are going to be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. So basically we have a variety of makeup stuff in front of me and I've got a blindfold and I'm going to be trying to do my sister's makeup as well as I can. I know what the object is, but I don't know where to apply it or how to put it on. So that's going to be pretty scary, and if I hurt her, don't blame me. So that's going to be a bit funny after. And if it turns out alright, I'm going to be very proud of myself, but if it doesn't, it will be okay because I can fix it with my magical beauty blender. So let's get started.
Okay. This is the MAC Prep and Prime spray.
Okay.
You're spraying that at yourself.
Okay. So...
No. From further away, further away.
All you need is a couple of sprays to prep and prime your skin. Did I do that right, Tony?
Yes.
Okay, good.
What's next?
Next it is foundation.
Okay. This is the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 220.
Can I...
There you go. Where are you planning on squirting that?
The back of my hand. This enough?
Yeah, don't let it fall.
Ah, I can feel it. It's actually quite funny. Here?
Uh-huh.
Am I doing this properly, Tony?
Yeah.
Now you just need to blend it in carefully.
Carefully. That's enough.
I didn't do that on purpose, Tony. If that was your hair, I didn't do it on purpose.
Next is concealer. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral.
I'm not feeling anything.
Okay, take this.
Okay.
Wait, let me give you the sponge.
Where's your under eye?
You feel where my eyes are.
Okay.
And carefully dot.
Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot.
Okay, that's fine.
Dot, 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 dot.
That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Okay, here you go. Here's your beauty blender.
Next is the other concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer in the shade Light. This goes under my cheekbones. That's enough. Okay, thank you. Here we go.
Is this it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Stop hitting me.
Okay. Sorry. Wait. Dabby wabby, dabby wabby.
That's enough. Oh, gee. This is the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW33.
You are.
Hold that in one hand. There we go. And this is the Real Techniques buffing brush. Here you go. A little bit. That's enough. Cheekbones. Yeah. Nicely done. Oh, yeah.
I haven't got a clue where I'm putting this. Am I putting this on your nose, Tony?
No. That's enough, that's enough.
I'm just brushing intensely all over your face.
Okay.
This is going to take forever, Tony.
Eyebrows. This is the Maybelline Brow Satin in the shade Medium Brown. Hold on, let me open it for you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Find my eyebrows. Okay, now move to the other eyebrow.
Nice.
Stop, that's not my eyebrow.
This is funny.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right, moving on. What do you want to do next?
Eyeshadow.
This is the Sleek Mini Eyeshadow Palette.
This is going to be interesting because I don't know what the colours are and how to put them on. So I'm hoping this is the dark brown. After this, I'm going to do some other colours because I'm going to go for like a 3-coloured smoky eye. Nice.
It's not my eye.
Okay. I'm hoping this is
No.
the gold. Yeah, good. I feel this is so smoky.
Is it? Is it smoky?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel like this is gonna turn out amazing.
Right, we've got mascara and lipstick left. What do you want to do first?
Mascara! Yay, mascara.
Okay. This is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara.
Yay, I love mascara.
I'm very scared for my well-being. Here you go.
Sorry if you get blind after this. If you do, R.I.P.
Thanks.
Ah!
That was my nose.
If this turns out bad, then I will be
Okay.
Actually, okay. That was intense. I think it's lipstick now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, cool. This is my Kiko lipstick in the shade Velvet Passion. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I have no idea where your mouth is. Is it here? Okay, no. Okay then.
Right.
It is time for the big reveal. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh! You look terrible! You look outstanding! You look... I'm joking. You look terrible, look.
Whoa! What have you done? Look at that highlight there. Can I go out like this?
Yeah, your eyelids are okay, and your eyelashes are okay, but the rest of you, messy like a dump.
Like a dump, thank you very much.
Wait, I can fix it though!
Can you?
Yes, look! My magical beauty blender.
Go on then.
Don't worry, Tony. My magical beauty blender would sort things out. There we go, Tony. See, I told you my magical beauty blender would work.
Wow, that's amazing. How did you do that?
Well, it's just the magic of my beauty blender.
Wow.
So that's it for my first video of the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any comments. Bye. Say bye, Tony.
Bye.